Good evening. This is week 6, where we focus on creating views in MySQL by Hannah Lowell. The task this week was to create 2 separate views in MySQL. The first view attempts to pull gender and diagnosis to create a view. So we did this by executing the statement create view 1 as, and we selected from the column ID and column gender from the demographics table. The column ID is the common identifier for both tables. So we also wanted column ID and column A1C from the diagnosis table in order to pull A1C levels for patients who have diabetes. The second view is we essentially took the same data and added a statement where we wanted to understand which patients had A1C levels of 6.5 or greater. So here, in addition to our original statements, we added a where statement for the column A1C is greater than 6.4. This will pull data to help us understand which patients have A1C levels that are of concern. Thank you.